Hello children, how are you all? Hope all are safe at home. Yes, today's lesson is the rabbit and the turtle. Yes, before going into this lesson, we'll have a small starter. These are the animals and their homes given. We'll match it. For fish, what is in this for? Web, house, pond or nest? Yes, it is pond. Then for crow, it is nest. For a boy or a child, house. For spider, it is web. Correct. Yes. And the next is the lesson. Going into the lesson. Once there lived a rabbit. His name is Floppy. He lives in a burrow near this river. Floppy likes to hop and play on the beach. Hippity hop and lippity lop. That is the way he plays. There, another creature, another sturdy, the little turtle lives in the water, in the river, in this river. So he likes to sleep on the beach, on this beach. So what happens? He comes out of the water and he goes on the sand and he climbs over here. One day, Sturdy comes out of the water and lies down on the sand. And he lies down on this sand like this. He tucks his head inside and falls asleep. So he tucks his head, his arms, everything inside and he sleeps. Soon, what happens? The Floppy comes to the beach. Then, as usual, he starts playing. He starts hopping down, up and down and plays for a long time. Hippity hop and lippity lop. After playing for a long time, this Floppy becomes tired. So he wants to rest for some time. He looks around and sees a big round stone. This one is the big round stone. He wants to lie down on this stone. So he comes near and starts lying down on this stone. Suddenly what happens? Sturdy the turtle wakes up because he responds to the someone else touching him. He pushes his head out of his shell and moves towards the water. Then what happens? This rabbit, this Floppy falls down and he feels the stone is moving. Must be this is a magic stone. Then Floppy touches that stone. When Floppy touches the stone, he finds Sturdy lifts his head and Floppy jumps back. So he comes to know that it is a turtle and it's not a stone. Okay, so he says, oh, it's not a magic stone, it's a turtle. Then what happens? They both introduces each other and they become friends. He says, hello turtle, I'm Floppy. And this turtle says, hello Floppy, I'm Sturdy. So they both become friends thereon. Okay, so this is the story. Both of them are here. When the turtle Sturdy is living in the water and this rabbit Floppy is here somewhere near this river in a burrow. So his house is burrow. So he comes out and hops, hippity hop, lippity lop. He plays over here. Then this turtle, no, he likes to sleep on this beach. So he comes out of the water and he sleeps for some time with his head inside and arms inside and inside the shell, and he lies down for some time. By the time this rabbit comes out of the burrow and he plays in the stand, lippity hop, lippity lop for a long time. He becomes tired and he wants to rest for some time. So he finds a big stone, round stone, which is nothing other than the sturdy's shell. So when he comes and lies down on the shell, this turtle sturdy is getting scared, and he gets up from his sleep, and he starts walking towards the river. Suddenly, the floppy feels it a magic stone must be moving. Then he touches the magic stone, and the sturdy lifts his head, turns towards the back, and shows his head to the floppy. So floppy at once comes to understand that it is not a magic stone and it is a turtle sturdy. Then both introduces each other and they become good friends from there on. That is the story. Okay. So now you are going to answer me the question answer for this questions. Where does Floppy live? In a den, in a nest, or in a burrow? Yes, in a burrow. This one. Who likes to sleep on the beach? Floppy or Snoopy? Sturdy. Yes, sturdy. What does Floppy see on the beach? A round ball, a round stone, a round glass. Yes, it's a round stone. Okay, yes. The next is solving the puzzle. Yeah, here it is given. Here the words are the picture is given. You will have to name the picture which ends with LE. With all the picture ends with LE. Okay, shall we see? What is this? First one, table. 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 Then this one, what is this? Hot water. Where you will put the hot water? To boil. It's in kettle. Yes. Then next one is this one or this one. Bottle. Yes, this is bottle. L all ends with L. Then this is apple. And this is candle. And this is turtle. Table, kettle, bottle, apple, candle, and turtle. So you all copy this in your textbook, page number 56. Okay. Just also practice the spellings for this missing letters. Okay. Now next one is grammar. Usage of he, she, it, they. All take the place of naming words. What are the naming words? Ajay. Here Ajay is a naming word. Reva is a naming word. And here it is bat. Bat is the word. And Anuj and Neha is a naming word. So when we say about Ajay, we say he. When it is a boy or a man, we say he. Reva, when we say about a girl or a woman, we say she. Say for example, Ajay, any boy's name. In your class, any boy's name, if you are saying, what you will do? You will say, ma'am, he is coming, ma'am, he is there, ma'am, he is doing this, ma'am, he is doing that, ma'am, you will say no. So when any girls do anything, you will come and tell, ma'am, she is doing this, ma'am, she is doing that, ma'am, like that you used to say no. So that is what is she. For girls name we use she, and for boys or men name we use he. Then for animals or any things also we use only it. Animals, for all animals we use it, and also for things we use it. That is any box, table, chair, fridge, any window. For everything we use it. And also animals, lion, tiger, dog, cat. For everything we use it. Here the bat is big, so the bat is also an animal. So then Anuj and Neha, when it comes more than one, we use they. Anuj is one name and Neha is another name. So when we get two names or when we say about more than one, apples, lions, like that if you say, when you say more than one, you say they. You say they. So first one, can you tell me the answer for first one? Ajay likes to play football. So what will come for Ajay? He. He plays the game in school. Okay, now tell me for the next one. Reva likes to play cricket. She has a new bat. She, Reva means she will come. Yes, the bat is big. Dash is red in color. It is red in color. Bat is a thing, or this is a bat, not that bat, ma. This is a playing bat. This is not animal bat. This is playing bat. So this is also a non-living thing, and this also will get it. For both the bats we use it only. Animal bat also we use it, and for this playing bat also we use it. It is red in color. Anuj and Neha likes to play games. So here more than one name comes, so they. What will come here? They. They go to the playground. So he, she, it, they. Okay, like that we'll have to use. For boys, he, for girls, she, for non-living things, any things or animals, we use it. And for more than one, we use they. It may be animal or it may be man or woman. We use they only. Okay. Now, matching the picture. Here all picture is given. You will have to match he, she, it and they. For here, one boy and one girl. When it is more than one, what we should use? I said they. Yes, they I'm matching. Now this is a truck. It is a non-living thing. You say you use it. Then for girl, she. Here two animals, more than one. Yes, it is they. Then this one, old man, he. Then this old woman, she. Tree, it. And for this boy, he. Okay. This is what you will match. You match in your book, seeing this in page number 58. Do by yourself using pencil, match it. Okay. Yes. And next one is page 58. The same thing. Here we use for Romit, what you will use? Romit. Romit is my elder brother. Elder brother, boy. What you will use here? He is 9 years old. For boy, we use he. The old lady sits in the park. For old lady, lady, girl, woman, what you will use? She likes to watch birds. Joy and Mona plays games. Joy and Mona. So more than one name comes. So what you will use? They. They are my friends. The cake is big. The cake is tasty. What you will write the full sentence they are asking. First sentence you write as it is. The cake is big. The cake is tasty. For cake, the cake we won't say. Instead of the cake, second time we use it. It is tasty. Okay. You copy this also in your book, page number 58. Okay. With this we are completing our lesson mark. And one more picture composition is there. Seeing the picture, you are going to write what and all you are seeing in the picture. That I'll be giving in your worksheet. Okay, you do it. That's all for today, ma. That's all for this lesson also. We'll do more worksheets in he, she, it and they grammar. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.